Any website is facing for 404 file not found error. That is called whenever enter the wrong URLs. Enter the wrong URLs or they mention any page, they show you for 40 file not found. That is called the page is not available by the your website. That is purpose. We can't lose your traffic purpose. Anybody searching for unknown page URL, we can read it for the specific page. That is called, we can fix the issue for 404 error. The error fix purpose, you can go to your website on cPanel. Dynamic and static does not different. Everything will be same. The code will be using by here. The code will be using for here. The simple I am using here. File manager. So previously showing for file not found. The URL will be here. Go to public underscore HTML. The option call is .htaccess file. Sometimes this cPanel not visible by the .htaccess file. Go to settings. Please enable for show hidden file. .htaccess will be hidden file. So we can enable for here. Suppose you not mention this one. .htaccess file will be disabled. That is called go to settings. Show this one. File be here. Edit. So if anyone searching for wrong direction, they go to my contact us page. Copy paste. Simple. Red document 404 contacts.html. Save changes. Now, if anybody enter the wrong URL, they go to which page? My contact us page. So this is called, you can prefer the particular URLs. So anybody enter the wrong URL, they go to one particular home page or particular redirections. That is called 404 file not found. The error will be simple writing here. This is called error. Please note on this syntax. Only for one line. There are maintained from static and dynamic will be using for this. Static will be only for one line. Dynamic will be using for total code. Please note on complete code.